Let me show you how I quickly spot UX issues in SaaS product using heuristic evaluation and why it works. If your product feels messy, users keep asking the same questions, or scaling is getting harder, that's usually UX problem. Heuristic evaluation is one of the fastest way to find it. At Eleken, almost every UX audit starts here. As a SaaS-focused UI/UX design agency, we use heuristic evaluation to catch usability issues before they turn into churn. So, what is heuristic evaluation? A structured way to review an interface using Jacob Nielsen's 10 usability heuristics. These are common sense rules based on how people behave when they use software. They've been around for over 30 years, and they still work because human behavior hasn't changed that much. The idea is simple. One or more evaluators walks through the product like real users. They follow key flows, take notes, capture screenshots, and check where the interface breaks these heuristics. The first thing we look at is the visibility of the system status. Users should always know what's going on. Did the action work? Is something loading? Is it done? If people have to guess, that's a friction. Progress bars, subtle animations, color changes, confirmation, messages, and small things like this dramatically reduce uncertainty. Next, language. Products often sound like internal documentation. That's a mistake. If users see jargon, abbreviations, or overly technical labels, they slow down. Good UX speaks the user's language, not the team's life language. Then comes control and freedom. Users need a way out. They undo, cancel, and go back. Without these, people become overly cautious and productivity drops. One example we often implement at Eleken is save and exit option in long onboarding flows. It removes pressure and increases completion rates. Another big one is consistency and patterns. Users don't come to your product as blank slates. They bring expectations from other apps. Menus go in familiar places. Icons means familiar things. When you break patterns without a strong reason, you increase cognitive load. Good heuristics evaluation flags these moments immediately. Consistency inside the product matters just as much. Similar actions should look and behave the same way everywhere. This is why design systems are so powerful. When we audit SaaS products, inconsistencies between screens are one of the most common issues we find and one of the easiest to fix once identified. Errors handling is another critical area. Error messages should clearly say what went wrong, why it happened, and what to do next. If the error code cannot help a user recover, it's useless. Great products treat errors as the part of the experience, not the edge cases. Then there's recognition versus recall. Don't make users remember things. Show them options. Label beat mystery icons. Context beats memory. Menus, tooltips, and clear labels all reduce mental effort. During audits, this principle alone often explains why users feel lost, even when the flow is technically clear. We also check flexibility and efficiency. Beginners and advanced users shouldn't be forced into the same place. Shortcuts, accelerators, and optional advanced actions let power users move faster without overwhelming new ones. Minimalism matters too. Every UI element should earn its place. If something doesn't help users complete a task, it probably shouldn't be there. Dashboards are especially vulnerable to clutter, and heuristic evaluation helps teams cut noise with confidence. Finally, help and documentation. Even the best designed products need support. The key is making help easy to find, concise, and relevant to what users are trying to do right now. If you're unsure what to improve in your product, start with UX audit. And if you want experts who live and breathe SaaS UX, that's exactly what we do at Eleken. If that was helpful, like this video, subscribe for more practical UX insights, and drop a comment if you want us to break down a real product using heuristic evaluation next. See you soon.